Clock is ticking. If you've procrastinated and haven't filed your 2023 tax return, you have until today.
That's right. 90s reporter Brianna Fernandez joins us now in studio to break down what you need to know. Good morning, Brianna.
Good morning. Get those taxes in, basically, is the big message today,
yeah.
right now. So most filers have until 11:59 tonight to get those taxes in. The good news is that if you haven't filed yet or you just forgot, there is a way to get some breathing room thanks to filing an extension. So first, let's talk about what happens if you don't file on time. So basically today, and you still owe taxes. You will receive a failure to file penalty, which could be based on how late your return is and the amount of unpaid taxes. Even if you can't afford to pay what you owe in full by today, you do have two options. So financial experts say to at least send in a partial payment to reduce the amount of penalties and interest that will occur. Another option is to file for an extension. This is an option that will give you until October 15th to file federal tax returns.
Extension is really easy. You don't have to pay for it, but people need to remember that that doesn't get you out of having to pay. So even though you filed an extension and you get more time to file your taxes, you don't get more time to pay.
So if you are a late filer who is owed a refund, you won't be hit with those penalties. So if you are getting a refund, just make sure you plug in your correct bank information. Don't be like me and then wait an hour and a half with the IRS to call them. So right now the IRS does have a high call volume, which is why I waited so long. So you'll spend more than an hour waiting on the phone. So if you do plug in your wrong information, they say that you should get a paper check instead of getting it, a direct deposit. For now, I'm Brianna Fernandez, live in the newsroom for 9 News.
Oh my gosh.
Numbers are hard.
Numbers are hard, especially if you're a reporter. Math and reporter, they don't mix.
Exactly.
Oh, well, what a headache for Brianna. I'm sorry that happened to you. For everybody else, make sure you check those numbers very closely.
Exactly.
Right. Brianna, thank you. Well, if you still need help with your taxes, we do have a few resources on your screen right now. 211 Colorado has a few different options up on its website, including a way to find a tax preparation site near you and other ways to file for free. There's also taxhelpco.org, which partners with the United Way. It has a map online to help you find free tax sites where you can file in person.